Hi guys, this is Joshik here, and for today's video is we're going to have the unboxing of the Iwo 13 or the T500 smartwatch. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and I'm very excited today because we have been waiting for this for almost 2 weeks in order for this product to arrive, and now we have it and we are going to unbox. So I actually bought this one for around $12, and if you want to know where I bought this one, I will just put the link on the description below. So here it is guys. This is the box of our Iwo 13 or the T500 smartwatch, and let's unbox it. Ta-dan! Okay, I think something happened here guys with the with the product, so it is not in a proper placement. I think it's because of the delivery. So okay, we have here our smartwatch. So as you can see, there is a bubble launcher, yes, on the plastic. So let's take it out and we will turn on the watch later on. And this is the strap guys. I ordered the blue one because I don't have a blue strap or blue smartwatch in the past, so now we have one guys, and it feels smooth guys, and yes, I think it's made of silicone. Yes, here it is, and we have here our charger. Yes, so it's a little bit yeah, it how do I say guys, it feels really light and you can really know that it's not really premium. So let's put this aside, and guys, here is the manual. So it is in English. Yeah, so there are directions on how to use your smartwatch. So if you have questions, you just have to look at it, and then at the back there's also like a Chinese version and nothing more. So let's put this aside, and we're going to connect the strap guys. Okay, yeah, upon your first glance there is this frame here, and I think it is made up of metal, which is good, so that's why it's a little bit heavy. The LCD is also look nice, and at the back, so you can see here the sensor here and the charging nodes also here, and on the side, so you have your crown here. So let's see if it's, yes, it's moving, and we have here, I'm not sure, but I think it is maybe a microphone. And okay guys, this is interesting because like the other smartwatch, I think that was the D28, so this one is also a design, only a design guys. It does not turn on, like when you press it, it does not move at all, so it's just only for design. And on the left there is I think this is like the speaker. Yes, so let's try to turn the watch guys. Alright, so it has this sound. Let's count how many watch faces it has. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, wow, that is a lot guys. 12 watch faces. Nice. And now guys, let's look at the feature of the smartwatch. Let's tap it here, this one. So this is the, I think this is the voice recorder. So let's try. Hello, my testing. 1 2 3 check. 1 2 3 check. and it said saved. So let's check, guys. Play. I'm not sure if you can hear it, guys, but yeah, I heard it, but it's quite inaudible. Yeah, but anyway, that is the voice. It has a voice recorder, which is interesting. This is Twitter news. Okay. So I found the easiest way for you to navigate to menu. Just press it, and then you can already have the menus, guys. So we have here the Bluetooth. It has Bluetooth and the call function. So Bluetooth is not connected. Do you want to connect? So later we will connect it as well. Okay. It has also the, okay, I don't know what it is, but please keep still. So I think this is the blood pressure, guys. Yeah, so this is my blood pressure. It's 130/83. Wow, that's quite high. But anyway, let's look at the other features. So have the sleep monitor. Yes. And we have the find my device. So I think we cannot do that yet because we don't have the, and then this is the heart rate. So let's check our heart rate. So it said please keep still. So this is my heart rate. So this is quite fast, guys, than the other smartwatch that we have. So it's 75 beats per minute. Okay. And wow, it has calculator. So it's good. So the 3 plus 3, it's, say, 6. Yes, actually, guys, it is nice because it has lots of features that I never had with my other smartwatches. Yes, and it has the calendar, yesterday, and I've got calendar there as well. But it is not set, guys, so I'm gonna show you on how to connect it later on. Alright, and so in the setting, guys, when you go to the settings, so there's Bluetooth settings there. There's power on, visibility on, and you can switch it on. Yeah, this is quite different because in our previous smartwatches we couldn't really do that because the Bluetooth is always on, guys. And another in the setting, so you have the raise LCD on. So let's try to open it. And the clock, so like digital, so there's like style, guys. So, and the display, you have the display, the main menu style. So you have style 1 and style 2. So let's click style 2, guys. So for style 2, it will only like this, so it is a lot easier, guys. Yeah, so physical, like physical training, run, rope skipping, abdominal curl, tennis, basketball, badminton, climb, cycling, tennis. Okay, that's so many sports mode. And then blood pressure, we already tried that one. Then we also have the sound recorder. Alright, so my first impression, guys, is it really looks nice. And when you try to look at it on the first glance, so you'll never know that it is only like a kind of iWatch look-alike. Yes. And let's try to wear it. And actually, guys, the strap, it feels good. Yeah, it's comfortable. And when you wear it, wow, see, it looks nice. And then it should turn on. Yes, so the only thing that I can say is that the UI is a little bit laggy, and when you touch it, so it's a little bit, there's a delay on it. So I think so far that is the only thing that I don't really like. But with the features, I will be testing them out, and I will let you know later on about my full review of this after a couple of weeks. Okay, and I will still show you guys when you try to swipe up. So you can see there some of the shortcuts. So I think this is this brightness and the Bluetooth. And there's also like here, oh, there's a flashlight. Yes, it's really, it's interesting. Like when you swipe up, so you have here the flashlight. I'm not sure if how bright it is at night. And we have the calculator, and I think this is the do not disturb mode, and pair with phone in MediaTek. So I think that is like when you want to find the device when you lost it. Okay guys, so for only 600 pesos, or that's $12, I can say this smartwatch is it's cool, guys. I'm just a little bit disappointed with the crown because I really like to use it. Yeah, but anyway, just comment down below what you think about this smartwatch, and if you have any questions also. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you soon.